Whenever discussion starts around a possible pro version of a camera that already feels complete, the reaction is almost always split. Excitement appears instantly, driven by the promise of refinement, sharper results, stronger performance, and that final layer of polish that turns a very good product into something exceptional. At the same time, doubt follows closely behind. Creators begin to question whether such an upgrade is actually needed or whether the current model already delivers more than enough. This emotional push and pull is exactly what defines the conversation surrounding a potential DJI Action 6 Pro. It is also the reason the topic keeps resurfacing, even when DJI itself remains silent. The DJI Action 6 does not feel like a placeholder or a safe update designed to buy time. It represents a clear shift in how DJI positions its flagship action camera. From a hardware perspective, this is one of the most ambitious designs the company has ever released in this category. The introduction of a square format sensor measuring over 1.1 inches immediately separates the Action 6 from the traditional expectations of an action camera. Sensor size has always been one of the biggest limitations in this segment, and DJI's decision to push past that boundary fundamentally changes how the camera behaves in real-world shooting conditions. Low light becomes more manageable, dynamic range improves, and overall image flexibility increases in ways that are noticeable even without technical analysis. The inclusion of a variable aperture lens further reinforces this shift. Variable aperture is not a feature commonly associated with action cameras, largely because of size constraints and cost considerations. Yet DJI chose to include it anyway, signaling that the Action 6 was designed to be more than a rugged point-and-shoot device. This single feature allows creators to move between lighting environments with far greater control, reducing the need for external filters and minimizing exposure compromises. In practice, it changes how confident users feel when shooting in unpredictable conditions, whether that means moving from sunlight into shade or filming across changing weather. What truly complicated the conversation was DJI's decision to unlock 8K video recording through a firmware update. Traditionally, higher resolution recording has been used as a clear differentiator between standard and pro models. By delivering 8K via software, DJI blurred that distinction almost overnight. A feature that many users assumed would be reserved for a DJI Action 6 Pro suddenly became available on the base model. This move elevated the Action 6 into territory that was once considered exclusive, forcing creators to rethink what a Pro variant could realistically offer without feeling redundant. As a result, expectations shifted. The question was no longer whether the Action 6 was capable, but whether there was enough room left above it to justify another tier. When a camera already combines a large sensor, variable aperture, and 8K recording, the list of meaningful upgrades becomes surprisingly short. Any future DJI Action 6 Pro would need to deliver improvements that feel substantial rather than incremental, otherwise it risks being perceived as unnecessary. In everyday use, the current Action 6 already demonstrates clear advantages. Exposure transitions are more manageable thanks to the adjustable aperture, allowing the camera to react naturally to lighting changes rather than relying entirely on ISO shifts or aggressive shutter adjustments. This leads to more consistent footage and fewer surprises during playback. The larger sensor contributes to smoother tonal transitions, cleaner shadow detail, and greater flexibility during color grading. These are benefits that directly affect workflow efficiency, not just image quality on paper. Because of this, the upgrade question becomes unavoidable. For creators who already own the Action 6, what would actually justify moving to a DJI Action 6 Pro? This is not idle speculation, it sits at the core of the entire debate. A Pro label carries weight. It implies not only better performance but also a clear separation from the standard model. If that separation is too small, the value proposition weakens, and the lineup becomes harder to understand. Despite these concerns, the idea of a DJI Action 6 Pro refuses to disappear. Part of this persistence comes from respected voices within the creator community who believe DJI still has more planned. One frequently mentioned name is Photo Rabs, a creator known for accurate predictions and a strong understanding of DJI's product cycles. His confidence has encouraged many to pay closer attention to subtle patterns, including firmware updates, accessory releases, and historical timing trends. While speculation alone does not confirm anything, consistent predictions from reliable sources tend to keep discussions alive. Still, belief is not enough. To assess whether a DJI Action 6 Pro makes sense, it is necessary to examine what it could realistically offer without undermining the Action 6 itself. DJI has always been careful about internal competition. The company rarely releases products that directly cannibalize each other unless there is a clear strategic benefit. Any Pro model would need to walk a careful line, distinct enough to justify its existence, yet restrained enough to protect the flagship already on the market. One area frequently mentioned as a potential upgrade path is lens flexibility. Many creators hope that if a DJI Action 6 Pro does arrive, it will maintain compatibility with existing accessories. This includes macro lenses, wide-angle attachments, and other optical add-ons designed for the Action 6 ecosystem. For action camera users, accessories are not optional extras, they are integral parts of how the camera is used. Breaking compatibility would not feel like progress, it would feel like a step backward. Sensor size is another topic that consistently surfaces. Some users hope a DJI Action 6 Pro could adopt a full 1-inch sensor. On paper, this would be a meaningful upgrade, offering improved dynamic range, better low-light performance, and more consistent results at high frame rates. In real-world use, these improvements would matter most in challenging lighting conditions such as dusk, dawn, or fast-changing environments during travel. A larger sensor could also reduce noise during slow-motion recording, an area where smaller sensors often struggle. Auto-exposure behavior is another point of discussion. While the Action 6 performs well overall, some creators feel there is room for refinement. Smoother exposure transitions, more reliable face priority metering, and reduced HDR artifacts could significantly improve everyday shooting. These changes may sound minor, but they have a disproportionate impact on usability. Better automatic behavior means less time correcting footage in post-production and more trust in the camera when shooting fast-moving content. When these potential upgrades are viewed together, an important pattern emerges. None of them represent a radical reinvention. They are refinements, valuable ones, but refinements nonetheless. This raises an important timing question. DJI has historically spaced out major releases to ensure that each new product feels like a clear step forward. When DJI introduces a truly new generation, the difference is usually obvious from the first use. In the end, the discussion around a DJI Action 6 Pro is less about whether it could exist and more about whether it should. The Action 6 already challenges traditional definitions of what an action camera can be. Unless DJI introduces a breakthrough feature that clearly redefines the category once again, skipping directly to the next generation may be the smarter move. As always, the final answer depends on priorities. Some creators would welcome a refined DJI Action 6 Pro that perfects what already exists. Others would prefer DJI to take a bigger risk and deliver a bold step forward with the Action 7. That tension is what keeps the conversation alive, and why the question is far from settled.